Last Sunday we talked about interest. So what's the best way to make some money earning interest? Remember that interest is the money you make lending your money to someone else, and it's the price you pay borrowing someone else's money. So obviously your goal is to get the highest possible interest rate when lending your money to someone else and pay the lowest possible rate when you borrow someone else's money. Now in future episodes we're going to talk about stuff that pays interest, like bonds for example, and we'll talk about places that charge you interest to borrow their money, like credit cards. But let's just talk about savings accounts for now, because most people understand that savings accounts pay interest. Now currently some banks are paying a lot of interest for you to put your money there. I mean, there are some online savings accounts that are paying up to 5.4% APY. Now APY stands for annual percentage yield. And that means that over the course of 1 year, that's how much interest you'll be paid to keep your money in that savings account. So if you put $1,000 in an account that pays 5.4% interest, in 1 year's time, you'll have made more than $54 interest. That's just 1,000 times 5.4. So the bank will give you $54 just for you keeping their money there, which is pretty cool, right? Now imagine you had 100 grand. How much interest would you make? $100,000 times 5.4% interest is more than $5,400. That's pretty nice. Now notice I keep saying more than, because there is a secret weapon at play here. It's something that Albert Einstein called the eighth wonder of the world. We're going to talk about that eighth wonder and how the rich understand this principle and use it to get richer. If you're a young person, the one thing you have over everyone is time, because if you start investing early and earning interest, you'll have lots of time to see your money grow. If your money is in a bank, find out how much interest they're paying for you to keep your money there. The average yield, meaning the average amount of interest banks are paying on savings accounts in the United States, is 0.57%. And yet there are banks out there paying more than 9 times that amount in interest. So why is the average so low? Because most people who have their money in a bank are not paying attention to that stuff. But not you. Take an active role in your financial future. If your bank pays a crummy amount of interest in your savings account, move it to one that pays more. I mean, no amount is too small. We'll see you on Sunday.